Check out this Ford 2015 F-150 Lariat. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear view camera, rear view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, memorized settings includes driver seat, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security remote, anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display and memorized settings. Number of drivers, 3. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.